Crypterium basically is buy and buy esteemed at 0.10 Crpt sort of intraday volume certainly remains at $107,930,000. Backing for the most part bears in every practical sense, has been laid out at $97 Crypteriums in May 10 fundamentally shows an extremely descending pattern in a very large manner. 18 February 2024. In this video we will sort of walk you through Crypterium cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these much of the time certainly clarified some pressing issues facts, what most certainly is somewhat momentary cost. Expectation for Crypterium is CRPT a kind of wise venture, which really is very huge. Crypterium support and opposition levels and so on, or so they explicitly thought. Yet, prior to jumping especially profound into the CRPT specialized examination, especially let us especially discuss the really current economic situations as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 184%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,954, 858, 536, 446 in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume generally remains at $57,261, 752, 591, which really is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which most certainly is genuinely huge, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%, or so they generally thought. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, which basically shows what in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18% in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351 following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period, which most certainly is very huge. Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana, certainly is up by 5.31 and at present exchanging at $112.76, which fundamentally shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, which basically shows what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18% in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, XRP came to $56 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, which really is very critical. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market especially is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for especially present moment, kind of additional appearance how the truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $57,261, 752, 591, or so they all things considered thought. Right now, an exceptionally broad, especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a huge manner. Crypterium backing and opposition backing and obstruction. Explicitly are significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters, distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which for the most part is very critical. Support essentially is a level at which purchases generally become genuinely something else in every practical sense, dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351 following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period in an especially huge manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in an especially large manner. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Crypterium CRPT Crypterium execution. The kind of current Crypterium cost generally is 0.10 with an exchanging volume of $107,930,000 in the beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, which certainly shows what especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18% in a huge manner. As of now, CRPT by and large is somewhere near 567% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 USD showing what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18% in a genuinely enormous manner. Crypterium Value Examination CRPT Cost Investigation for 18 February 2024 inside a by and large day-to-day time span truly made sense of beneath, which essentially shows that these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a very descending heading for kind of present moment. Truly further appearance how the sort of complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $57,261,752,591 in a sort of huge manner. We utilize extremely relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving normal SMA and remarkable moving kind of normal MR2 for the most part examine the future development of the crypterium, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. The prompt opposition for CRPT by and large is really found at $12, and a breakout from this level could sort of leads towards the, for the most part, next obstruction, which can explicitly be, for the most part, found at $13 in a quite huge manner. On the in every way that really matters other hand, assuming the bear by and large assumed command in CRPT cost generally neglects to sort of break out above $12, it could fall back towards the critical help at $0.97, which essentially is genuinely huge. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how Crypterium Value Examination CRPT Cost Investigation for 18 February 2024 inside an everyday time period truly made sense of beneath, which fundamentally shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a genuinely descending course for commonly present moment, kind of additional appearance how the truly all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $57,261,752,591, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Crypterium. Financial backers need to really sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, exhibiting that Crypterium financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram in an unpretentious manner in a real sense. The kind of relative strength file RSI for CRPT coin really is as of now drifting at 32 for 14 days genuinely normal line, which truly implies CRPT sort of is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, exhibiting how moreover XRP came to $56 subsequent to seeing an elevated 216% in esteem, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. While CRPT's Williams percent R marker in every practical sense is at 75,686 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange extremely signal truly is essentially conceivable at this reach, which really is very huge. Ends there in a real sense had been a genuinely regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will essentially go on as most certainly lengthy as it by and large remaining parts in the rosy region, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. You ought to possibly generally procure crypto the present moment on the off chance that you're ready to, especially hold it through the highs and lows of the crypto market, showing how on the sort of other hand, assuming the bear basically assumed command and CRPT cost explicitly neglects to in every practical sense break out above $12, it could fall back towards the critical help at $97 in an essentially significant manner.